Hello, good evening everyone. In the previous class that is starting about that is the unit 3. This concept is that is the third unit is current electricity. What is the current electricity means? What is the meaning of current electricity? It is the branch of electricity. It is the branch of physics and it is a branch of that is also called electricity. It is a study of the charges in motion. That is called current electricity. First concept is what is the meaning of electric current? The electric current means it is a symbol of the electric current is capital I. Capital I is the symbol of electric current. The rate of flow of electric charges through any cross section of the conductor is called electric current. That is I is equal to Q by T. The rate of change of charges is called electric current. It is a electric current is a scalar quantity and the SI unit of a electric current is ampere. That is the SI unit. The SI unit of current is ampere. It is a symbol is capital A. It is the electric current it is classified into two different types. One is convectional current. First one is convectional current and second one is conduction current and the third one is steady current. That is the electric current means it is a rate of change of electrical charges through any cross section of conductor is called electric current. It is the electric current is classified into three different types. First one is a convectional current, second one is a conduction current, third one is a steady current. The convectional current, it is also current. The rate of flow of positive charges called convectional current. The rate of flow of positive charges. The rate of flow of a positive charges is called convectional current. Second type is conduction current. What is the meaning of conduction current? It is also rate of flow of electrons. The rate of flow of electrons is called conduction current. And the third type is steady current. The steady current means the rate of flow of charges in linearly. The rate of flow of or positive charge or negative charge, the direction is linearly at any instant of a time is called steady current. That means the steady current means the rate of flow of positive charges or negative charges, the rate of flow of charges is uniform or linearly. That is called 3. That is the steady current. That is the electric current it is classified into three different types. First one is convectional current, second one is conduction current, third one is steady current. The convectional current means the rate of flow of a charges is called convectional current. The rate of flow of a electrons is called conduction current. The rate of flow of charges in linearly is called steady current. That is the three different types of electric current. Next, instantaneous current. Instantaneous current. What is the instantaneous current? The rate of flow of charge, that is also current. That is also current. It is a rate of flow of charges is non-uniformly, non-linearly. Then the current at a particular instant of a time. The current at particular instant of a time, that is called instantaneous current. That is the instantaneous current can be written as I is equal to dq by dt. The instantaneous current is given by dq by dt. That means the instantaneous current means the rate of flow of a charges is in non-uniformly, then the current is at a particular instant of a time is called instantaneous current. That is I is equal to dq by dt. The capital I is equal to dq by dt. Okay, now that is the classification of a electric current. And next concept is, what is the meaning of drift velocity? Drift velocity. What is a drift velocity? Or the symbol is V sufficient D, not V into D. V sufficient D. Drift velocity means conductor. First to draw the one conductor. This is called conductor. It is consist of two ends. That is the one end and other end. What is the length of a conductor? It is taken as small l. The area of each end of a conductor is capital A. Conductors means the number of charges is flows easily in a copper wire, electronics, electrical wires, resistance wires. The current flows easily in any material is called conductor. Okay, now example is conductor is, there is a wire. There is a wire. The wire is a consist of two ends. The area of the air is A and length of a conductor is small l. And the presence of electric field line is E. The presence of electrons E. The direction of a electrons is, there is a Vd. The direction of a electrons is Vd. It is the connected to the wire is battery. The wire is connected to the battery. It is a positive terminal and negative terminal of a battery. That means battery means that is a potential difference. V is called potential difference. And the current flowing through the conductor is, that is capital I. Current flowing through this conductor is capital I. First of all, what is the meaning of drift velocity? The drift velocity means it is the average velocity acquired by the free electrons in presence of electric field line. In presence of a electric field line is called drift velocity. What is the meaning? The drift velocity means it is also average velocity. The drift velocity is a velocity is acquired by the electrons, free electrons in presence of electric field is called drift velocity. What is the expression? What is the expression for drift velocity? How to find drift velocity? See, in this diagram shows the conductor. This is a conductor. The conductor is consist of two ends. This is the one end. This is called other end. It is one end is connected to the positive of the battery. The other end is connected to the negative of the battery. Okay, now is the source. The battery is also called source. EMF of a cell. When electric current is applied, through the conductor, the electrons moves randomly. The speed of a electrons is, that is Vd. The length of a conductor is small l. The area of each conductor is, that is capital A. The presence of electric field line, that is E. That is E. That is the explanation part of a diagram. Due to what is the experience force? What is the basic definition of an electric field? An electric field is equal to force acting for unit positive charge. The force is equal to unit positive charge, or force by, there is a charge of an electron is, that is E. That is E is equal to F by E. What is the experience force? In this field, the presence of free electrons, the experience force of this electron is, the experience force, that is F is equal to, it is the electrons is travels one end to other end, that is taken as sign is negative, that is F is equal to E into E. Capital E is called electric field line, small e is called charge of the electron, charge of a electron. That means first step is, what is the free electrons, the experience force of a electron. The experience force of a electron is given by, that is F is equal to minus E into E. That is the experience price. The negative sign indicates that the electrons is travels one end to other end. One end to other end. Due to the force, the each electron of a acceleration, the force each, the electron, the each electron of a acceleration. What is the first write the force equation? The force equation is F is equal to mass into acceleration, or acceleration is equal to force by mass. Next, the each electron of a acceleration, the each electron of a acceleration is given by A is equal to force by mass. The force acting for unit mass, or the acceleration is equal to the experience force is minus E by small m, minus E by m. The acceleration of a electron, basic definition. What is the meaning of acceleration? The acceleration rate of change of velocity. The rate of change of velocity. The rate of change of a acceleration. That is the acceleration of a electron. The acceleration of a electron is, that is the according to the diagram, that is A is equal to drift velocity by time taken. Torque, that is a torque. Torque, that is a not torque. Tau is the symbol of time. Okay, now that is the acceleration of a electron is given by A is equal to velocity by time, drift velocity by time, relaxation time. That is called relaxation time. Cross multiply, that is Vd is equal to A into acceleration. A into acceleration, or the V sufficient D. The V sufficient D is equal to, what is the acceleration? The acceleration is minus this equation. This is the acceleration, that is called equation number 1. That is the equation number 2. The equation number 1 is substitute equation number 2. Vd is equal to, the acceleration is minus E by m into relaxation time. That is E by m into relaxation time. This is the, or that is also called, that is Vd is equal to, that is minus E by m into time. This is the expression for drift velocity, where the Vd is called drift velocity, the E is called charge of the each electron, capital E is called electric field line, m is the mass of the electron, that is small t, that is t is called relaxation time. Relaxation time. The negative sign is indicates that the electrons travels one end to another end. The electrons travels one end to another end. That is the concept of velocity, drift velocity. Once again, what is the meaning of drift velocity? The drift velocity means the average velocity acquired by the free electrons. The average velocity is acquired by the free electrons in presence of electric field line is called drift velocity. It is also called the velocity by time is called drift velocity. That is the best example of a drift velocity. How to find? Draw one conductor. It is consists of two ends. One end is connected to the positive of the battery, other end is connected to the negative of the battery. The potential difference is V. The current flowing through this conductor is, that is capital I. The presence of electrons is E. The speed of each electron is, that is drift velocity. And the presence of a electric field line is E. The length of a conductor is, that is taken as small L. The area of a one end of a conductor is capital A. That is the diagram and explanation part of a drift velocity. And what is the experience force of each electron? The experience force of each electron means, by using a basic definition of electric field. Electric field means that is the force acting for unit positive charge, or force divided by charge. What is the charge of each electron? That is E. Cross multiply, that is F is equal to EE. The negative sign is indicates that the electrons travels one end to other hand. That is the experience force of each electron. The experience force of each electron is given by F is equal to minus EE. Okay, now then the each electron of a acceleration is what is by using a force equation. F is equal to mass into acceleration, or acceleration is equal to force by m. The each electron of a acceleration is A is equal to F by m, or F is minus EE by m. That is the called equation number 1. That is called equation number 1. By using a basic definition of acceleration, the acceleration of an electron, what is the speed of the electron? That is the v. Velocity of electron is dd, and time is small t. Or vd is equal to cross multiply. Vd is equal to at. That is called equation number 2. The equation number 1 is called acceleration. Equation number 1 is substitute equation number 2 we get. That is the vd is equal to minus ee by tau. ee by m into time, or vd is equal to minus ee by m into time. That is the vd is called drift velocity, the E is called charge of electron, E is called electric field, m is the mass of the electron, small t, t is called the capital T is called, that is a time, relaxation time. The negative sign indicates that the electron travels randomly. Okay, now that is the concept of drift velocity. Next concept is mobility. What is the meaning of mobility? Mobility, that is the symbol is, it is nu. Nu is the nu. Nu is a symbol of mobility. The mobility symbol is nu. The mobility is defined as the ratios of drift velocity acting for unit electric field line, Vd by E. That means the drift velocity, the mobility means nu is a mobility. That means the mobility of the electron is defined as the drift velocity is called drift velocity is acting for unit electric field is called mobility. The SI unit of that is the international system. The SI unit of mobility is, that is the meter square volt inverse second inverse, and meter square volt inverse and second inverse. That is the SI unit of mobility. That is the concept of small definition. What is the unit? What is the definition? That is the concept is called mobility. Okay, now okay, thank you. Continue to next class.